Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Friday, September 29th. Time is around 7 GMT. And we will have a look at the NASDAQ futures on the Owanda platform. So here we are looking at the 4-hour chart, and my take on the NASDAQ is that we made a wave 3 high here and that we are currently working on a wave 4. I believe this wave 4 is unfolding as a WXY pattern. If this is our wave W, this is our wave X, then we can also be more specific about the area where the wave Y should end. And we can find this area by taking the length of wave W, the length of wave X, and then here wave Y should go into this area here between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension. So this is where we ideally go. Now, the question is, how do we get there, or do we even get there? Because like everything is already here to have the wave Y. So like the most important condition is that we take out this wave W. This has happened, and for now we also have kind of three swings. Like we could count this as an ABC, like A, B, C. So that could mean that the wave Y was in here, which means that the wave 4 was also in, and that we now are ready to do a fifth wave up. So that's a possibility. However, it's not my main scenario. My primary scenario assumes that we make another low here, and the main reason for this is if I look at the other indices, therefore I mean the DAX and the Dow Jones, it looks like they need a fifth wave down to complete their downward structure. Like the wave 4 and the wave 5 is missing. And so that could mean for the Nasdaq that we do this part here, an ABC like this. So that this is the wave A down here. So then we have like 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and we end here 5 with divergence. Okay, wave A. And that we should now see a wave B to the upside, and that we then go down one more time as a wave C, and then this wave Y will be completed as an A, B, C structure. That would be my primary forecast. Um, this forecast In this forecast, I just look for alignment with the global market, let's say, with other indices, because if the Dow Jones and the DAX will do another drop, it is very unlikely that the Nasdaq flies to the moon from here. So I also try to take these things into account, and then my primary expectation would be an ABC structure here. Although, like I say, if we look only at the Nasdaq, like it can be enough, this correction. Like this can be a complete corrective move if we count it as ABC here. We took out the wave W. We didn't reach the area that we should reach, but we came quite close. So therefore it is possible that we are finished here, but I would still expect something like this, a move like this, A, B, C. Will we then reach the wave B area? So we know that a wave B should go into the area between the zero point 0.5 and the 0.854 FIP retracement. Yeah, it looks still quite a distance to travel actually to this wave B area. So it could be that we have a more shallow wave B, and therefore then we have to look at the lower time frame. Like, yeah, a wave B is a corrective wave. 3 waves is actually enough. And so, like, yeah, what we see here, this is already 3 waves, 1, 2, 3. So it would be a bit surprising, but it is possible that this here, for instance, is the wave B. However, I mean, we can see more upside. Like, we can also go as a WXY. Then we have 1, 2, 3 wave W, then X, and then Y again. 1, 2, 3 up like this. So yeah, we have to look here how this unfolds. If yeah, if we get something impulsive here, then it means that the correction is probably over, and then we have a first impulse of a new cycle up. If this is moving in further moving in a corrective wave, then yeah, there's a high chance that we are doing a wave B here, because wave B is or should be corrective. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work. And I see you this weekend for an analysis of the higher time frame. Have a nice day. Bye bye.